Start the class.
Yes, sir. సార్ చాలా వాయిస్ చాలా అంటే స్ట్రక్ గా వచ్చింది.
ఎస్ మీ వాయిస్ కట్ అయింది.
Is it okay now?
నో సార్.
No, sir.
Okay. ఇప్పుడు చూడండి. Still it is not okay.
నా ఓకే సార్. ఇప్పుడు క్లియర్ అయింది సార్.
బాగానే వస్తుంది వాయిస్.
ఎస్ సార్.
అంటే ప్రీవియస్లీ వేర్ వి స్టాప్ అనుకున్నాం. ఎక్కడ ఆపాం ప్రీవియస్గా? లెన్సెస్
Focal length when immersed in waters.
ఎక్కడిది వాయిస్ వసంత? అవుట్ సైడ్. ఫోకల్ లెంగ్త్ ఓకేనా
సార్ అప్లికేషన్స్ చేసాం సార్ కొన్ని.
How many applications are completed?
8 సార్.
Today we have to discuss application 9. Okay, application 9.
Need some చెప్పారు సార్ ఒకటి.
Thickness తీసుకోండి కదా, right. App 9. Giving some length of diameter, how to calculate?
Yes, sir.
If the thickness is given small and if the thickness is given more. Both the models completed, I think.
Yes.
Then here, today we come to the model. Like, suppose here.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, Nana. Suppose in this model, this type of model actually we did in mirrors, Nana, concave mirror. Try to recollect the model what I am going to discuss here. Suppose a lens is cut into 2 equal parts along its principal axis, and here the separation between the two, okay, after cutting, this is separation, what he is saying here, this much. Okay, this is say some 2 centimeters. Separation between them is 2 centimeters. Means if I take the principal axis here, original principal axis, okay, then try to understand that each part is moved by 1 centimeter. Upper part is moved by 1 centimeter, lower part is moved by 1 centimeter. Okay. And I am taking the object here somewhere on the principal axis. This is the object, point object I am taking here. And it's a focal length. Focal length of convex lens is given as 20 centimeters. Means what will be the focal length of each part now?
20 only sir.
20 only. It does not change. Very good, very good. 20 centimeters. And here object is placed at a distance of say some 30 centimeters from each part. Okay, this is 30 centimeters. What I am taking here. Object to the lens. This is 30. Okay. Now the question is here, somewhere the image will be formed, no doubt at all. Okay, to find out that image distance, what to do, we know it. Okay, the question is, what is the separation between the two images formed by them. Okay. Here each part is forming one image, Nana. So first part image somewhere here formed at a distance of V. Second part also focal length same. So it also forms the image at the same distance from the lens. And somewhere here the second image will be formed. What is the distance between the two images? First, you understood the question, Nana?
Understood, sir.
So first of all, what you have to do is, first we have to find out image distance. Okay. So first I'm going to use 1 by V minus 1 by U is equals to 1 by F. This is the formula of length. And here we are using the sign conventions. I'm going to find out 1 by V minus 1 by U is, I think, minus 30. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Focal length is 20 centimeters. Convex lens, that too biconvex. Biconvex focal length is positive, plus 2. So I'm going to find out here 1 by V is equals to 1 by 20 minus 1 by 30. This is how much all of you know. So can I write straight away that is equals to 60 centimeters now?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, by doing some calculation, you will get V is equals to 60 here. So I know the distance now where the image is formed. The image is formed exactly at a distance of 60 centimeters from here. Okay. So suppose this is 60. And here I am assuming the image is formed somewhere here. Okay, on this line. Means I am going to place the screen here. Suppose this is the screen I placed at this position. Okay. Then the image is formed on the screen. Where, sir? Just take the diagram from here. Okay, right, like this. This is the light ray. Are you not still taking them? Okay. So here I am taking the light ray passing through the hole, will be undeviated and will come here to this position. Okay. And another one will come to this position.
సార్ అది అన్డివియేటెడ్గా వెళ్ళదు కదా సార్.
హోల్ అయితే హోల్ సెంటర్ అంటే రే డయాగ్రామ్ మనం రూమ్ తీసుకుంటాం.
అంటే అది మనకి ఇక్కడ సపరేషన్ వస్తుందంటే కొంచెం యాంగిల్తో వెళ్ళినప్పుడు రిఫ్రాక్ట్ కొంచెం అవుతుంది కదా సార్.
రే డయాగ్రామ్ లో ఒక రూల్ ఉంది. రే డయాగ్రామ్ డ్రా చేసేటప్పుడు ఇది హోల్ అంటే సెంటర్ కదా, దీని నుంచి డ్రా చేసే ఒక రేని ఎప్పుడు కూడా మనం ఇలా స్ట్రైట్ గా తీసేసుకోవాలి. ఓకేనా?
ఎప్పుడు
అది రే డయాగ్రామ్ మనం తీసుకున్న ఒక రూల్ పాసింగ్ త్రూ ద హోల్ అంటే ఎగ్జాక్ట్లీ త్రూ ద సెంటర్ ఆఫ్ దిస్. అంటే దీని ఒక సెంటర్ నుంచి పాస్ అయ్యేది అన్డివియేటెడ్.
అంటే అక్కడ పర్పెండిక్యులర్ ఇన్సిడెన్స్ లేకపోయినా అవుతుంది అంటున్నారా సార్?
ఇక్కడ
అంటే అక్కడ యాంగిల్ ఇన్సిడెన్స్ అవుతుంది కదా సార్ ఆ గ్లాస్ లెన్స్ మీదుగా. మరి అప్పుడు కొంచెం డీవియేట్ అవుతుంది కదా అంటున్నాను సార్.
ప్యాటర్న్ అనేది ఏంటంటే ఇది రిఫ్రాక్ట్ అవ్వాలి అంటాం జనాలు. ఇలా వచ్చిన లైట్ కొద్దిగా రిఫ్రాక్ట్ ఇది వెళ్ళాలంటారు.
అంటే కొంచెం అయినా అవుతుందా?
ఇవన్నీ పారాక్సియల్ రేస్ కింద తీసుకొని ఆ డయాగ్రామ్ అట్లా తీసుకుంటాం. ఓకే, అంటే పారాక్సియల్ లైట్ రేస్ ఇవన్నీ మనం తీసుకుంటే లైట్ ఈస్ నెగ్లెజిబుల్ కదా. అంటే ద లైట్ రే ఇస్ కమింగ్ ఆల్మోస్ట్ పర్పెండిక్యులర్ టు ద సర్ఫేస్.
ఓకే సార్, అంటే అవి చాలా తక్కువ అనే అసంప్షన్.
Compared to focal length, మనం తీసుకున్న separation and I am not taking it 30 centimeters separation.
Yes sir.
Each one shifted by just 1 centimeter. And that is spoken. This is negligible. So understood?
Yes sir.
Then we try to calculate. Okay, and here ఇంకేమైనా డౌట్ ఉన్నాయా?
లేదు సార్.
Okay. So here if I take from this O, suppose this is I1 I am taking and this is I2. Of course, if I take this is the center point of principal axis, say some X, then xi1 is equals to xi2, no doubt at all. So anyone if you calculate, why? Because each is shifted by equal by equal distance. That's why xi1 is equals to xi2. If one you calculate, you can say the answer double of the answer what you found. Okay. So here I am using the similar triangle principles by taking one line here. Okay. And here I am taking, this is the point A and this is the point some B. Look at OAB and OXI1 are similar triangles. Am I right?
Yes sir.
So I am going to use that similar triangle principle. Directly I am writing here using the two triangles. What are OAB, one triangle, and OXI1. Okay, we can write, what can we write here? We can write, can I write like OB?
Sir, AB by OB equals to
Okay, right.
A1X by OX.
Right, very good. AB by OB equals to, from the first triangle, is equals to I1X by OX. Any mistake in this, Nana?
No, sir.
I1X by OX, correct? Okay. Then here AB is 1 centimeter, not 2 centimeters. By OB is 30. Is equals to I1X, I don't know.
90 by 90.
Yes, that is not 60. Here to there 60. 60 plus 30, 90. So I1X, I think I am getting 33, 3 centimeter. Is it right?
Yes sir.
I1X is 3 centimeters. So I1 plus I1 I2 is, that implies I1 I2 equals, you can say the answer. 3 into 2, that is equals to 6 centimeters. Okay, Nana?
Yes.
Good. This is one method, Nana, how to solve. Okay. If you have any doubt, you can take one more diagram also. Means here, if I take one more light ray like this. Okay, why? Because Mandua got some doubt here. That light ray obviously after refraction will go to one point here like this. Okay, we are assuming, right? Here, Mandua.
Yes sir.
Some point here, and from another you can take from this triangle where you are assuming. No problem. Okay. Here where you are assuming this height, if you know, you can find out the answer here. That is the problem. What I said, Mr. Manu.
Okay sir.
That's why I took passing to the, this is the, so this is one model, Nana. This model I think we solved in concave mirror previously. Era గుర్తుందా ఏమైనా అసలు? ఏమో సార్ లాంగ్ బ్యాక్ concave mirror. Okay, no problem. Okay, leave it. This is one model, Nana.
అంటే వాల్ మోడల్ కదా సార్ మీరు చెప్పింది.
Concave mirror, at that time when I was discussing about the mirrors, okay, almost 1 month back. Suppose mirror is cut into two parts, like separated by certain distance. What is the distance between the two images?
చెప్పలేదు సార్.
చెప్పలేదు సార్.
Okay. I will discuss this model here and check.
ఓకే సార్.
అదన్నా కాదు, ఏదో ఒకటి జరుగుతుంది. అంటే సపోజ్ కాన్కేవ్ మిర్రర్ ఎగ్జాక్ట్లీ కట్ ఎట్ ద ఫోర్ సెంటర్, and here it is shifted by some distance, like in the same problem 2 centimeters, means each is shifted by 1 centimeter. What is the distance between the two images? Maybe
ఇది డిస్కస్ చేయలేదు సార్.
maybe I understand. Correct. And like suppose here light reflect passing as an incident on this surface, ఇది రిఫ్లెక్ట్ అవుతుంది కదా నా,
ఎస్ సార్.
and somewhere the image is formed, like this is incident on this surface and form somewhere the image. What is the distance between the two? Same.
Yes.
Okay. Just go to what is చేద్దాం, దాన్ని కూడా డిస్కస్ చేయలేదన్నారు కదా.
చేద్దాం.
In this app only we try to solve it. In case of, that's why I'm writing here, in case of convex or concave, anyone you can take now. In case of concave mirror, better to get concave mirror. Why? Because it forms a real image. Concave mirror. Okay. If it is cut into two parts.
Sir,
Yes, please, Aryan.
in this convex lens example, sir,
Uh,
the image is virtual, sir, or real, sir?
real images only now.
Real image.
Yeah.
Okay.
Actually, this model, if you want to do that, why? Because two students asked the same model. So I'm explaining the process. If you want to solve this model, this is the part what you shifted up. This is the original principal axis. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
This is the distance 1 centimeter. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Object is placed at a what distance? 30 centimeters. I took the object here. Okay. Practically speaking, the principal axis of the part what I shifted is this one, Nana, dotted one. Means suppose you take it as x1, x2, and this is x1 dash and x2 dash. Now the new principal axis of the lens, part of lens, what I shifted upwards is x1 dash and x2 dash, not x1 and x2.
Correct.
Understood this point?
Yes, sir. Correct.
Means from the original, means the new principal axis of the lens, the object is appeared to be a bit below, not on the principal, new principal axis.
Yes, sir.
We have to assume like this, Nana. The object. We are assuming like this means this is how much? 1 centimeter. Exactly. Okay.
Yes, sir.
You calculated image is formed somewhere here.
మ్యాగ్నిఫికేషన్ కనుక్కుంటే సరిపోతుంది.
Yes, that's what I'm saying. 60 centimeters this is. Okay. So magnification will be equals to V by U formula. Okay. And this is you are getting 60 by 30 means you are getting magnification 2, Nana. Are you following my logic?
Yes, sir.
Since the object is inverted, the image will be erect. You will get like this. Okay. And that is real only. Why? Because 30 centimeters is greater than focal length. Real image is formed. Okay. For inverted, you will get erect about this principal axis, new principal axis, at a distance with a height of, which is equals to height of image by height of object now. Okay.
ఇప్పుడు మనకి
Yes.
4 సెంటీమీటర్స్ వస్తుంది కదా సార్ మరి.
ఒరే ఆవేశపడకురా, నువ్వు ఇట్లాగే ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ అని పోగొట్టేటట్టు. Height of image is equals to 2 into this is 1 centimeter, that is 2 centimeters. Okay. And here height of object is inverted, so minus. So height of image you are getting minus 2 centimeters, Nana.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Understood, sir.
Understood. And here we forgot minus sign here. Minus sign. So all together we are getting here how much, Nana?
Minus 2.
Minus of minus plus final height of image. So height of image plus means erect you will get. erect how much? 2 centimeters. మండువా జాగ్రత్తగా అబ్జర్వ్ చేయనా?
సార్ అర్థమైంది సార్, మధ్యలో 2 సెంటీమీటర్స్
మరి ఆవేశపడిపోతే ఎట్లా? సో he is asking the separation between the two. అంటే second one you took here. అంటే below this you will get the another image formed at a distance of 2 centimeters. But what about this two? Separation between these 2 centimeters now?
2, sir, again.
So head to head, the separation is 2 plus 2 plus 2. Now you understood?
Clear, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Upper one is giving erect and lower one is giving inverted. Why? Because above the new principal axis, the object you took here. Above means here I am assuming the object like this. Object is erect, so image is inverted. Is it clear now?
Clear, sir.
This is the original method now. That one, in simple manner, I explained here.
Okay, okay.
So whichever you like, that method you follow.
Okay, sir.
Right.
And sir, like for mirrors, we wrote no, sir. Like if the object is placed greater than f at c, like that. For lens also, we have that table. No, sir.
Yeah. Concave mirror table will be valid for convex mirror, convex lens.
Okay, okay, sir. Means that we did discuss till now, no, sir.
Why? Because the table you know, okay. Finally, after getting all the apps, I will go through the table in a simple way. Just copy and paste here.
Okay, okay. Because sir, yeah, you told no, sir. For inverted object, will get real image, erect image.
Here you got some doubt. No? Okay.
Yeah, that's it.
And I will discuss that table now, so that you will get more clarity.
Okay, okay.
Right. Now better you can do in this method for concave mirror, so that both the methods will be in our hand. Okay.
Okay, sir.
For this we try with that method what I erased now. Okay, 2 parts. It is cut into 2 parts as like the given lens. Okay, then for the same values, the separation between the two images, will be okay dash. Sorry for the disturbance, man. The two images will be dash. I'm asking. Okay. In the meanwhile, anyone try now?
Sir, V value will be 5 by 60, sir.
60 by 5.
Yes, sir. 60 by 5.
I think you got 1 by V.
Sir.
Correct? Right. So first I am going to draw the diagram here now. Concave. Concave means I have to draw like this. 2 parts here. These are the 2 parts. Concave mirror. And I will draw the original principal axis here. This is the original. Oh, sorry, that side you won't get anything. Okay, right. No. Very good. And each is 1 centimeter. Total is 2 centimeters as usual. Yeah. Here this separation is 2 centimeters as usual. What? And as usual, we are taking the objects somewhere here. This is how much, Nana, in the previous problem we took?
30, sir.
30, sir.
This is 30 centimeters. What he said that is correct, Nana. We using mirror formula this time. Mirror formula, what we get 1 by v plus 1 by u equals to 1 by f is the mirror formula. So
I'm getting minus 60.
minus 30 minus 60 Anna.
Yes, sir.
Focal and concave mirror. Are concave mirror, Mr. What correct? Concave mirror focal length how much you took?
Minus 20 I took, sir.
This is correct. Minus 20 correct. Concave.
Yes, sir.
Get same 60 only.
Yes, sir. Minus 60.
But minus 60. That is equals to minus 1 by 60. That implies v is equals to minus 60. Why? Because image will be formed on the same side. That's why you got minus 60.
Yes, sir.
So image will be formed somewhere here, surely.
Yes.
The image somewhere here at 60 centimeters. Okay. At 60 centimeters, this is 60. And here in this method we try now. Which method? By assuming the new principal axis here. Okay, in this method we try.
Okay.
So that we will go through the two methods here. This time I have to take the object inverted or erect. This is the new principal axis.
Inverted.
Inverted, very good, very good. So I have to take the object like this. Better I take in different color. This is the object. Yes. Okay. Then where the image is formed. But already I calculated 60 centimeters. And the height of object how much, Nana? HO is equals to
1 centimeter.
HO is equals to 1 centimeter and as usual magnification is equals to minus v by u. This clearly we know in concave mirror. This is equals to minus of minus 60 by minus 30. Okay, minus 60
Minus 2, sir.
minus 30. That equals to magnification minus 2. Okay. And the height of object is equals to minus 1 centimeter. Why? Because we assumed this is inverted. Here, are you following?
Yes, sir.
That implies height of image by height of object is equals to minus 2. That implies height of image is equals to minus 2 into height of object is minus 2. I am getting plus 2 now. It clearly indicates that image will be formed at a 60 centimeters somewhere here above the principal axis. This is the height of image whose height equals to 2 centimeters. I think over. Okay, this is I1 and you will get I2 somewhere here as usual. This is the second principal axis of the part 2.
Again 6 on the second.
Yeah, again 6 only. That's what I'm saying. This is what I said. Concave mirror is identical to convex lens. Whatever the answer you get in convex lens is the answer in concave mirror. So
Okay.
understood my logic?
Yes, sir.
Understood, sir.
So here I am taking the image and this time this principal axis I have to take the object upwards above the principal and new principal axis. This is the height of object and I will get height of the image downwards. Since it is erect, image will be inverted. So understood this point now? Last point what I said?
Yes, sir.
Here image is inverted. And this is also equals to 2 centimeters. And here you can find the height. So I1 and I2 are separated by 2 plus 2 plus 4 plus 6. That implies I1 I2 equals 2. Okay, you will get 6. This type of model already he asked in exam. The advance ఒకసారి long back given in exam. Okay, but he asked in lens. Sorry, lens. But I gave both the models, lens and mirror. So ఈ model కి వెళ్ళదు కదా నాన్న? Surely will you solve this model in exam?
Yes, yes.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, good. ఇది వెళ్ళిపోకూడదు. ఈ question తప్పకూడదు. Good. Come to here. Next model. What Mr. Aryan Kumar asked, he wants table at all. So here we take the table of convex lens. Okay. Convex lens, he wants object distance, image distance, and magnification. Okay. So I'm going to take here one table, drawing one table by distance, image distance, and here as usual. Okay. Okay. I'm taking here one table. Okay. The first serial number as usual with the object distance, with the image distance, and with the magnification. Okay, Nana? So come to here. We are coming to this part. First, I am going to write in the table serial number. Here, yes. That is just like a dish, Nana. So you say whether it is mirror or lens. Okay. Object distance, image distance, and magnification. Okay. You first I am taking infinity, and I am moving from infinity to the lens. We will be where?
Focus.
Focus, and that too for focus is on the other side. Positive focus. Okay. It is positive for convex lens. So you understood this point?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
And magnification, of course, tends to 0. V by U kadana.
Yes, sir. Correct, sir.
And second one, we are taking object distance greater than 2f. Okay. If you want, you can check Mr. Aryan Kumar using your lens formula. 1 by V minus 1 by U is equals to 1 by F. This is the lens formula. Okay,
Yes,
Nana?
Yes,
And Nana? Shanmukha. Okay, right, no problem. Here object is 2f means can I take it as 3f, Nana? Greater than 2f?
yes, sir.
And object distance is always negative. Why? Because we are taking real objects. For real objects, U is negative always.
Sir, between F and 2F, sir.
Yeah, answer what you are saying. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. That's what I'm checking here to prove for Aryan Kumar, to give some proof for Aryan Kumar. Okay. 1 by V is equals to what you are getting, Nana, finally 1 by F. This is plus taken to the other hand minus 1 by 3F. And you will get here that implies V is equals to
3 by 2 F.
finally 3F by 2. Very good. That too you got plus. Am I right? Plus or minus?
Yes, sir. Positive one.
Yeah, positive one. This is the difference you can find in convex lens, Nana, Mr. Aryan Kumar. Okay. When you mirror, what is the formula there? 1 by V plus 1 by U. U is always negative. Is equals to convex mirror. The focal length is concave mirror. Focal length is negative. Okay? So if you take it to the other hand, what you get? Minus 1 by f plus 1 by 3f. Then we
Yeah, negative we'll get.
get minus 3f by 2.
Yes, sir. Correct, sir.
This is the only one difference you can find here.
Okay. Means object here will be formed on other side after refraction.
That's what I'm saying. The object image is formed in case of mirror on the same side. That's why V is negative. Okay. Whereas
Okay,
in case of lens, image is formed on the other side due to refraction.
sir, always image is formed at other side on.
That's we will check. Again,
Yes,
if the object distance is less than focal length, what happens? We have to check.
Okay, okay.
Peculiar case.
Yes, sir.
For the remaining cases, you can say image is formed on the other side always. For the remaining cases, means U is greater than or equal to F.
Okay, yes.
So here, until U is equals to F, no need to check now. Image will be formed on the other side. So V I am taking here again, that is lies in between 1.5 F, means it is in between 2F and F. So I write here V is formed in between F and 2F. Okay, and it is also positive. And magnification V by U means obviously less than 1. Okay, Nana? And the third one.
We'll get inverted image, I think.
What?
We can
inverted image. That's you are right now. Magnification is equals to, we write here V by U. Okay, now that
minus V by U or V by U, sir?
V by U, V by U, V by U.
Okay, sir.
Plus HI by HO. Am I right?
Yes, sir. Correct.
Height of object, if you take it as erect, you will get plus. Okay.
Yes, sir. Correct, sir.
V is always positive until U is less than until U
Greater than F.
to F. U is equals to F. And
Okay, sir.
always negative for real image, real object.
Okay, sir.
Then you will get a HI, negative or positive, by doing some calculation.
Negative. Negative.
HI is equals to, you are getting HO into V by minus. You are getting negative. Negative means inverted.
Yes, sir.
So what is the formula for magnification without applying the sign conventions?
V by U, sir.
Plus V by.
Yeah, plus V by.
Whereas without using the sign conventions in mirror?
Minus V by.
Right, good. And all of you understood this one?
Yes, sir.
Any confusion and any doubts here? Sure?
Sure, sir.
Right. So here below, by erasing this part, I am taking here M is equal to, I write here, M is equals to V by U for a lens, and M is equals to minus V by U for a mirror. While solving the numericals of lenses, we put M is equals to plus V by U, and then we substitute the sign conventions. Confusion
Let's, sir.
No confusion.
Better I put them in a box. Okay, this is for a lens and that is for a mirror. Okay, and here since image is inverted, of course I will get negative, no doubt at all. Okay, and M here I am taking equals to 2F. If you do in the same way, 1 by V minus 1 by U is equal to 1 by F, you will get V is also equals to 2F. See, Mr. Aryan Kumar, you are getting the same table or different table?
Same table, sir.
With only one change.
Positive.
Negative. Negative. Here V positive. Okay.
Yes, sir.
And here the magnification is equals to 1 and it is negative. Okay.
Yes, sir.
And the fourth one, I think no need to check, just interchanging the two values in V and U. You will get, if U is lies in between F and 2F, V will be, even if you check, you will get the same thing. V greater than 2F,
Okay.
but positive. And here, this is greater than 1, and it is negative. Okay. Like
Enlarging.
4, but answer is -4.
Okay.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Don't use mathematics, Nana. Don't argue. Sorry, m is equals to -4 means that is less than 1, sir, and don't argue.
Right, sir.
Magnitude, I'm saying. Value is greater than 1, and it is negative.
Okay, sir. Yes, sir.
That's why separately I'm writing here. Greater than 1, and separately I'm writing this is negative.
Okay, sir.
And the fifth one, here till now there is no doubt. It is equals to F, then it will be infinity.
Yes, sir.
And this tends to infinity. And it is negative, no doubt at all. Till here.
Yes.
Now, sixth one will be changed now. If U is less than F, what happens? Okay, less than F. Same thing.
Beyond 2F, sir.
No.
Same side.
We say V is greater than U and chaptam that it same side. What you said, that I accept. Same side. You will get the image on the same side. Okay, but we won't compare the V value with the focal length.
Okay, sir. Means we can't tell how much it.
That depends upon the value of U.
Okay, sir.
If you take some value, Nana, like suppose
F by 2.
4F by 5, Nana. Why should we take all the times F by 2?
Okay.
Right. Well, suppose U is 4F by 5. So 1 by V minus 1 by U is 4F by 5.
Yes.
But it is negative. So plus is equals to 1 by F. Okay. So 1 by V is equals to, I am getting 1 by F minus 5 by 4F. Means multiplying with the 4 and 4 here, I am getting this is minus 1 by 4F. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
So V is equals to minus 4F I am getting.
Yes, sir. Correct, sir.
V is equal to minus 4F I got, not plus.
Yes. Same side.
Negative here, that indicates image is formed on the same side.
Yes, sir.
Okay, same side. This is 4F, that is 4F by 5. Who is greater?
4F, sir.
4F is greater means V is greater than U. My conclusion is correct or wrong?
Correct, sir.
Correct.
And magnification, which is by U, is always greater than 1. Why? Because V is greater than U. So
Yes.
it is greater than 1, but you will get this is positive.
Yes, sir. Understood.
Why? Because V is negative, U is always negative. So minus by minus cancel, you will get M plus. Correct?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Positive. Means indicates in all cases you are getting the inverted images. Only in this case you are getting the erect image on the same side.
Okay, sir.
Can we write those conclusions on the other
There
side?
is a virtual image వస్తుంది.
Same side and virtual kada. Actually, image should be formed on the other side of a lens.
అవును సార్.
కానీ సేమ్ సైడ్ కి వచ్చిందంటే క్లియర్. అంటే సేమ్ మిర్రర్ టైప్ ఏనా? మిర్రర్ లో ఇమేజ్ కాన్కేవ్ మిర్రర్ ఇమేజ్ షుడ్ బి ఫార్మ్డ్ ఆన్ విచ్ సైడ్? కాన్కేవ్ మిర్రర్
లెఫ్ట్ సైడ్.
లెఫ్ట్ సైడ్ అంటే లెఫ్ట్ సైడ్ ఫార్మ్ అయిందంటే రియల్ ఇమేజ్. వర్చువల్ అంటే we take on the
రైట్ సైడ్.
Right side. Whereas in convex lens, real image on the other side, virtual image on the same side. అంటే దీనికి ఉల్టా, ఎగ్జాక్ట్ ఉల్టా. ఓకేనా? ఏదో చిన్న కన్ఫ్యూషన్ ఉన్నట్టుంది. బెటర్ ఐ రైట్ by comparing the two here so that you will get more clarity.
No
This is
confusion.
I am finding out. I am not seeing the confidence in your voice. Okay, this is concave mirror and this is the convex lens. What I'm making better I write left on below. Okay, 18, this is the principal axis. And this is the principal axis here for convex lens. And both by comparing here I am writing. Okay. This is what concave. In case of concave mirror, okay, this is in case of convex lens. Okay, concave mirror first. U is greater than or equal to F. Here also, U is greater than or equal to F. Okay, the image is real. Here also, the image is real and inverted. There also, real and inverted. Sorry, inverted, but formed on the same side. Here I write, but inverted, but formed on the other side. Okay. This is one point what I write here and there. So sorry, here this is one point, and here this is one point, and next point I am writing here now. Okay. If U is less than F, here also U is less than F. Okay. The image is virtual. Here also the image is virtual. Okay, and erect. Here also and erect, but formed. Here also, but formed. Here distinguish on the other side. Am I right? Here formed on the same side. This is the difference. Okay. Now, did you are you got the clarity here, now, all of you?
Yes, sir.
అందరికి ఒక క్లారిటీ వచ్చిందా? This is in case of what?
Yes, sir.
Mirror.
Mirror, convex, concave mirror, and this is the case of convex lens. Okay, right. అమ్మయ్య. సో ఇక కన్ఫ్యూజన్ ఏం లేదు కదా నాన్న?
No, sir.
No confusion.
Same like a convex mirror, the behavior is here concave lens now. Okay, their convex mirror always forms whom? Virtual image. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Here concave mirror forms virtual image. Concave lens forms virtual image. Okay, better I write here in the similar way. I write in the same similar way. The behavior of convex mirror is identical to concave lens. Okay, I think Mr. Arvind Kumar, no need to draw the table for concave lens.
No need, sir.
I think you understood. Good. So this is one thing, Nana, what you have to remember in lenses and mirrors. Okay. And then here, this is app number, how much, Nana, previously what? 9th one.
9, sir.
9. If I come to, this is app 10 table. I take it as app 10, Nana. This one. Okay. And I am going to app 11. Okay. what is this apps are? Okay, this model number of times asked, particularly in MSET now. Okay, already I told one very important MSET model. What is that? Try to recollect.
Lens in water, sir.
Lens in water. In the same way, this is also one very important model in MSET. Okay, what they ask, suppose here these are two convex lenses now. This is one convex lens. Better you take equiconvex lenses, means radii of curvature same. And this is another convex lens. This is also of equiconvex lens. Both are equiconvex lenses, but radii of curvature are different. Keep in mind. Okay. This is the first lens and it is the second lens. What he is saying here, the gap between them is filled with water by placing this in an airtight tube. Okay, means that water can't come out. What I am saying. So understood that one, Nana?
Understood, sir.
Right. So this gap is filled with water. This is filled with water. Okay. So the same thing here I am going to write. Two equiconvex lenses of different focal lengths. Focal lengths. Say in bracket F1 comma F2 comma made of same material. So luckily here we can take same mu, that is in bracket mu, same material. Okay, are kept in contact and the gap between them is filled with the liquid. Is filled with a liquid of refractive index. I am taking it as some mu m. M means medium. M stands for medium. Okay, this is mu. Better I take mu L. L stands for lens. So here L stands for lens, M stands for medium. Any confusion?
No, sir.
ఎందుకంటే ఎల్ అంటే లిక్విడ్ అనుకుంటారేమో నా డౌట్. సో ఐ చేంజ్ విత్ సమ్ అదర్ లెటర్ ఆర్ కీప్ ఇట్ యాజ్ యూఎల్ ఓన్లీ.
ఏం కాదు సార్.
Correct, then no problem. Okay. With a liquid, find the combined focal length of the system. Yes.
అదే పోయినసారి లోపల ఆ గ్యాప్ లో కూడా ఎయిర్ ఉన్నప్పుడు చేసినప్పుడు ఫస్ట్ లెన్స్ కి మ్యూ2 ఎయిర్ తీసుకున్నాం సార్. ఇక్కడ మనం మ్యూ2 వాటర్ తీసుకోవాలి, సెకండ్ లెన్స్ కి మ్యూ1 వాటర్ తీసుకోవాలి.
అలా కన్నా కాదు, ఎందుకంటే ఇక్కడ ప్రాబ్లం ఏమవుతుందంటే వన్ సైడ్ ఎయిర్, అదర్ సైడ్ లిక్విడ్. ఓకే, that too total part is not liquid, some part again coming with the lens, second lens.
Yes sir.
కదా అలా చేసేది కాంప్లికేట్ అవుతుంది. దానికని ఈజియెస్ట్ మెథడ్ చూడు
సార్. సార్ ఏం లేదు సార్, అది వాటర్ కాన్కేవ్ లెన్స్ లో పనిచేస్తుందా?
yes you are right, 100%. That's what I'm going to say.
We have to use like previous model, no sir. Means some it is increased by some height. We principal axis of that small lens, no sir, of that concave lens, water.
No. Principal axis will be same, Nana. If you see here, this is supposed to be principal axis of the two lenses. The principal axis of water lens is also same only. Where you are finding out the difference, this is the principal axis.
Means sir, some part will be used in the two lenses, no sir, in middle. and it will
That's
be
what
raised.
that's what I'm saying, Nana. If you think here, the three parts as shown, I will show some diagram here, Nana. Try to understand.
Okay.
First lens I'm taking here, like this is the first lens. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Separately, I'm taking the second lens here. This is second lens. Okay. In the middle, who is there? Some liquid. That liquid part of what I'm taking, I take it as one concave lens like this. They are in contact like this. Here, this is liquid. What I do. Okay. This is the.
Okay. Yes, sir. I thought, sir, you like broke one lens into two and.
No, not broken.
Okay, sir.
This is of mu1 as usual. This is also mu1 means mu L.
Yes, sir.
This is also mu L, but this is of yeah. Am I right?
Yes, sir. Correct, sir.
That's what I'm saying. If these three are kept in contact, I think I'm getting the same diagram what I drew previously.
Yes, sir.
Is it better, Mr. Mandua?
Yes, sir.
By considering why? Because he gave no need to find out its focal length. Already I know this is F1, he gave this is F2. Just I have to find out the focal length of third one. If three lenses are kept in contact, what is the effective focal length? Already I gave.
Yes, sir.
Anyone remember, Dana?
1 by f net equals to
Yeah, 1 by F1 plus 1 by F2 plus so on. Here 3 lenses means plus 1 by F3.
Yes, sir.
Using that formula, we can find out very easy.
సార్ ఇక్కడ కాన్కేవ్ లెన్స్ కి మైనస్ వస్తుందా సార్?
Obviously, that is concave. Finally, you will get focal length negative. Means F3 what you are saying.
సార్ అది కాన్కేవ్ అవ్వాలంటే మ్యూఎం షుడ్ బి గ్రేటర్ దాన్ మ్యూఎల్ అవ్వాలి కదా సార్.
ఎవరు నాన్న?
సాయిరామ్.
It is not taken in contact with UL. It is taken separately as a lens with the surrounding medium air. Annitiki surrounding medium air.
ఓకే సార్.
Separately, we are taking it as a lens filled with some liquid. Now we are keeping them in contact. So separately, if you take where are these three? Air.
Yes.
So compared to air, any medium has more refractive index or not?
Yes, sir.
మరి అది కాన్కేవ్ అవుతుంది obviously.
అర్థమైంది.
Right. So here 1 by F1 over 1 by F2 over, I have to find out 1 by F3. F3 and I have to find out the radius of curvature of this part. It is the radius of curvature first lens, second lens.
sir.
It is. Means
Sir,
this part.
first lens sir.
First lens and can I take it as R1, man?
Yes, sir. ikkada
we have to find out. Abba anni istari. Ikkada even think R1 you can't find out, ra.
Oh, and ఇది okay sir. కనుక్కోవచ్చు.
And using the lens maker's formula.
కనుక్కోవచ్చు sir.
మరి using lens maker's formula. Okay, I am going to write 1 by F1 is equals to mu1 minus mu2 by mu1. Correct, Anara? By mu2 అనుకుంటా.
1 sir.
కాదులే mu2 minus mu1. mu2 minus mu1 by mu1. Correct. Into 2 by r. Straight away I am writing 2 by r. Why I am writing 2 by r here?
Equiconvex lens.
Why? Because this is equiconvex lens. Equiconvex by r of first lens R1. So is it clear, Nana?
Yes, sir.
So 1 by R1 is equals to, I am getting here 1 by R1 kada manaku kavalsindi. Ante here 1 by F1 into mu1 mu L kada nana idi. Mu L minus 1 into. There are any wrong in my calculation?
No, sir.
Correct. Okay. This is 1 by R1. Similarly, can I write 1 by R2, the radius of curvature of second one, as
F2.
2f2 into mu L minus 1? Any mistake?
No, sir.
That implies 1 by f3. This is concave, so minus is equals to mu of that length, mu m minus 1 by 1. Any mistake here, Nana? Refractive index of this medium, Nana, mu m only kada?
Yes, sir.
It's in air, so by 1 minus 1 by 1 into 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 I have to write after using the sign conventions.
Yes, sir.
Already I applied the sign convention here now. Okay, so that 1 by f3 I am writing in the next page. That implies minus 1 by f3. How much you get there, Nana? Mu of medium minus 1 into ఏమైనా కామన్ ఉంటే కామన్ తీసేస్తున్నాను. 2 into mu L minus 1 common. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Divided by 2 into mu L minus 1 into 1 by f1 plus 1 by f2. If I am not wrong. Once you check, is it correct?
Yes, sir.
Sure?
Yes, sir.
Right, good. Therefore, the effective focal length, that implies the effective focal length. One by f is equals to, as usual, I am going to write 1 by f1 plus 1 by f2. Of course, this is negative, plus 1 by f3. Okay, now? Sorry, f3 means, okay, this is 1 by f3. 1 by f3. Later I will substitute the sign convention. Plus 1 by f2. Okay. Here I am going to substitute 1 by 1 values now. 1 by f1 plus 1 by f3 is negative, Nana, that is minus of mu m minus 1 by 2 into mu L minus 1 plus 1 by f2. Sorry, I forgot something here. Into 1 by f1 plus 1 by f2 plus 1 by f2. Is it correct, Ram?
Correct, sir.
Now you have to substitute all the values. Try to something here. Ledu 1 by f1 plus 1 by f2 common istanu. In this thing 1 by f1 plus 1 by f2 in those.
Yes, sir.
No.
అంతే.
అంతే కదా? So that is 1 by f1 plus 1 by f2 common into 1 minus mu m minus 1 by 2 into mu L minus 1. ఇంకింత నుంచి సాల్వ్ చేయగలరు, వదిలేసేయండి. That's it. So you understood the method how to solve now?
Yes.
This is the story, how to find the focal length. This model also many number of times, not 1 or 2 times, many number of times given in MSET type of exam, not in mains type of exam. Okay, this is one model, right? Above 1234. Okay. Right. But tomorrow we will come to another questions. Okay.
సార్
One model.
ఒకసారి ఇది వెనక పేజీ పెట్టరా సార్?
ఏది నా
దీని వెనకాల ఉన్న వెనకాల.
ఫస్ట్ పేజీ,
ఓకే.
ఇది సెకండ్ పేజీ, ఇది థర్డ్, దిస్ ఇస్ ఫోర్త్. ఓకేనా?
ఓకే సార్.
అండ్ దిస్ ఇస్ ఫిఫ్త్.
ఓకే సార్.
రేపు ఏం డిస్కస్ చేయాలో ఒకసారి చెప్తాను, ఎందుకంటే నాకు గుర్తుండట్లేదు ఏ యాప్ దగ్గర ఆగాను. త్వరగా రేపు మీరైనా రిమైండ్ చేయండి. ఓకేనా? చెప్పనా ఒకసారి?
చెప్పండి సార్.
జస్ట్ ఇంట్రొడక్షన్ అండి, అంటే ఏం డిస్కస్ చేయాలి అనేది. యాప్ 12 కదా రేపు?
అవును సార్.
12th యాప్లో వీ హ్యావ్ టు డిస్కస్ ద మోడల్. కాన్వెక్స్ లెన్స్ తీసుకొని ఇటు సైడ్ 1 మీడియం, దిస్ ఈజ్ μ2, అదర్ సైడ్ μ3 తీసుకుంటే what are the focal lengths of this lens in the medium mu1, in the medium mu2? ఓకే, ఇది చెప్పలేదు అనుకోండి ఈ మోడల్.
లేదు సార్.
బోత్ సైడ్స్ ఎయిర్ అయితే మీకు ఐడియా ఉంది వాట్ ఈస్ ద ఫోకల్ లెంగ్త్.
ఎస్ సార్.
Both sides you will get the same focal length, that is equals to 1 by f is equals to mu minus 1 by 1 into 1 by r1 plus 1 by r. Correct enough? If both sides there is same medium air. Can if it is mu1 not air, that is mu3 not air, then what is the focal length in the first medium? What is the focal length in the second?
Sir, but in this model means at a time it will be in both the medium, sir.
Means they will ask Nana, if the object is taken in the first medium, what is the focal length of this one?
Okay.
Or if the object is taken in mu3 medium, what will be the focal length?
Okay, sir.
That we have to discuss. This is the main important Nana, this model is.
Okay, sir.
Try to remember Nana. Tomorrow we will discuss this.
Okay, sir.
Bye Nana.
Bye, sir.
Bye.
Bye.